Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Nissan T32 X-Trail ST, stock reference number 4069. This shape runs from the second month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door also has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.